Hi everyone. Today we are here to discuss about how to get chat membership information in the messaging extension. It can be done in three scopes, whether it is in personal scope, group chat scope, or team scope. So how to get the chat members? Let me try to install the app into one of the like for example, I have one sample called just-in-time installation bot, which is having bot and messaging extension. So I just installed in personal scope. So I can see this particular just-in-time installation messaging extension, right? So I can see this one here. So for example, if I go to any of the Teams channel, let me click on this messaging extension. It just triggered. So here in the on Teams messaging extension fetch task, I'm trying to get the membership information who are part of that particular Teams channel, right? I'm trying to get that membership information, but the bot is not added into that uh, uh, particular Teams channel scope. So usually I will get the error because as bot is not part of it, I will not be able to get the membership directly from the messaging extension. I will not get access to it. So that's the reason I see the error here. So the error will be like a 402 forbidden error. So I'm just continuing this. So here usually you will see this particular option or failure message. So this is just-in-time installation is app actually providing option to install the app instantly to that particular team channel scope. So we will come to that option here later. But for example, let me hit the messaging extension here again. So I cannot get the membership information from the messaging extension directly. So what are the other options? So for example, in the turn context, I have activity, and in the activity we do have conversation details. So using this conversation ID, I can use Graph API to get the membership information. So I just copied the ID. Let me go to Graph Explorer. I'm just giving the option here. I'm just giving the passing that chart ID and querying the membership. So let me run the query. So now I can see who are part of that particular team channel. So for example, I see only one member. Let me just check that. Yeah, oh, two accounts are there. Okay, then must be two accounts. Uh, I need to double check why that membership is giving information, but usually this membership will give all the members of that particular channel scope. So I get the membership information using that Graph API, which can be done. Okay, but how to get that using messaging extension, we will check that. So here I get option to install the app directly into that particular channel scope. So let me try to install the app, click on it, continue. So it provides option to install the app. If I click on it, it just add the app into that team channel scope directly. So for example, in this particular team, let me check in the manage apps, just in time installation app is added automatically here. So now if I run this particular messaging extension, I will be able to get the membership because spot is added. So F10. So I get this membership information. So these are the two user accounts which I get it. So this will be the easier way. Instead of calling Graph API to get the membership information, this will be the easier way to utilize messaging extension features. So this is in team scope, but what we can do in the one-to-one user scope. So for example, if I click on messaging extension in one-to-one personal chart, here I cannot add apps, right? So for example, here I see messaging extension. If I try to execute, again it fails. So if you press F5, Then again, it gives option to install the app. So even in one-to-one personal chat scope, we can add the app. So for example, I'm just clicking on continue. So it just added app into that particular chart scope. If you see here, manage apps, you'll be able to see that just-in-time installation app here. So now even if we want to get the membership information here, we can. Let me execute it again here. You get members, two members information. One is the person who is triggering and another is the opposite person, right? So you will get that membership information. So this will be the easier way to get the members information in the messaging extension. Just add that bot into particular team scope. So this is the sample which I was referring, just in time installation bot. I give this link in the recordings documentation also. So you can refer, you can use this just in time installation bot. So yeah, that's it. It helps to get the membership information in the messaging extension using this sample. Hope this helps. Thank you.